everybody. We're so glad to have you here today. We're outside in honor of the Autumn Cleanse and Detox Workshop. I'm Susan Camille.
And I'm Anita Brown.
And we're super excited to be giving a workshop on Saturday, October 23rd. It is the Autumn Cleanse and Detox Workshop, little flyer here. And this is the autumn one of our seasonal workshop series. And what do I want to say about this?
Well, we are happy to be together and offer seasonal foods, acupuncture treatment, how to best detox and cleanse for the autumn season as we prepare for winter, and also the role of digestive health in helping your body detox to its best potential.
Yeah, you'll learn really cool stuff. Okay, so RBTI, have you ever heard of it? If you haven't, you definitely need to come.
Yes.
Anita, our naturopath, is going to be sharing about this really cool screening. Talk about urine and spit.
That's right. It's RBTI stands for Ream's Biological Theory of Ionization, and it's a simple test of using urine and saliva that looks at the speed of your digestion, how your body is dealing with carbohydrates, with salts, with cell debris, with protein, and it also looks at the pH of your saliva and your urine to determine whether you're digesting in sync or if you're out of sync.
Very cool. Acidity, alkalinity. So what does this have to do with like autumn cleanse and detox, or autumn at all? Well, one of the themes we're going to be talking about is literally cleansing and detoxing. This is the time of year to do that. If there's stuff in your household, in your life, in your mind that you need to clear out, this is the perfect time to do that. So we're going to be talking about how all these things weave together, the foods, the herbs, the movements. We'll be doing some Qigong as well, learning about the RBTI and what foods might be creating things that we need to cleanse from our body, and what foods might be more helpful for us. And then also getting an acupuncture treatment. So we'll be doing that community style that day. And of course, we'll be following all the COVID protocols and keeping registration limited, and et cetera, so we can keep things nice and safe and happy for everybody. And we're just so looking forward to, as Anita started out with, just being together, just having this time to talk about health in a way that is accessible and open to all, no matter how your health is, what your needs are. We're excited to welcome you.
Yes.
Look forward to seeing you on Saturday, October 23rd. Feel free to sign up online. Feel free to leave a comment below.